What is visa?
Visa is an entry in passport.
Right. Visa is an entry in the passport. What does this entry represent?
It represents that it represents that visitors granted. It gives the visitors granted authority to enter or re-enter in the country.
Right. What information is provided in the visa?
Information about the what information provided? Information about the validity of the period, and in this period, how many number of entries in the period.
Right. Which officer has the final say regarding entry into a country?
Immigration officer.
Right. How does the visa system help immigration officers?
They keep the record of how many visitors are how many visitors are entered in the country.
Right. What information does the travel agent need for a passenger visa?
Origin of the country, nationality or citizenship of the client, origin of the country, any transfer and stopovers, and destination of the country.
Right. Why is it necessary for the travel agent to know which passport the passenger has?
Because there is different rule for visa in any passport.
Right. Which rules related to the visa are required to be checked?
Check the transit rules or entry rules.
Right. Why is it necessary to check the rules of entry or transit?
Because transit rules are different from entry laws.
Right. What is the necessity to investigate regarding a transit?
It can be different means in different thing in it can be different thing of transit. It means different in every country of transit. So check the permit of the transit.
Right. If the passenger time to change the airplane in the center city is more than allowed, then in that case, which visa will have to be requested?
Instead of transit visa, we have to require the visitor visa.
Right. Whose responsibility to get the necessary document for traveling abroad?
Passenger responsibility.
Right. What is the responsibility of the travel agent for obtaining the necessary documents for foreign travel?
It is a travel agent responsibility to supply the each and every accurate and up to date information to the passenger, so that they can travel trouble free.
Right. What is the type of visa?
Types of visas are exit permitted, re-entry permitted, visitor waiver visa, visitor visa, transit without visa, tourist visa, and skiing visa.
Right. What is exit permit?
Exit permit when passenger has to